Hi. Hey everyone. Hello everyone. Hi everybody. Hey. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, no. Sit up a little bit. Hey everybody. I am James Lamosi and I'm going to be starting a video blog here sort of detailing my progress with a project that I'm going to be starting. Building a model of the Enterprise D from Star Trek: The Next Generation. This is a model kit that I had when I was a kid and put together, and I've since lost that kit over the years, but I'm going to try it again. I'm going to really take my time, take advantage of all of the resources that are available now that I didn't have before. I found this online and was able to get it, and it is the exact same kit that I had when I was a kid. So I'm pretty excited about that. It does smell a little bit like cigarettes from somebody's house. But yeah, I'm just excited to kind of get going on this, and I don't know how long it's going to take. So this might become a really long series of videos. We'll see. Who knows? Or it'll be a complete disaster. Either way, I'm gonna record it all and we'll see what happens. So let's take a look in the box and see what we get. This was wrapped in plastic. I already took the plastic off, but this is like one of the first times it's been opened in probably who knows how many years. Everything's still in the bags. There's one of the stands. I think this is for the saucer and the captain's yacht. I don't know if we're going to wind up using that or not. We'll see. Some cool stuff in it. This is another bottom base of a stand for the secondary hull, I believe, or the whole thing if you want to have it all displayed together. Got some other parts on here. Some of them have fallen off the tree here, but let's see. I think this is the main shuttle bay, part of the captain's yacht there. These other pieces are in the bag here somewhere. We have both sides of the neck. We've got warp nacelles. There's one. Here's the other one. Okay, some other stuff. This is the other part of that stand. So this would kind of go on there like that to hold everything, display everything. Oop, and there it fell. There's the bridge. A couple little greeblies there. I think that's a phaser or a torpedo launcher. These are the two other shuttle bays. Here's the top of the secondary hull. So we have openings to the bottom of that part. These are the two bottom of the secondary hull with the two pylons that hold up the warp engines. So eventually this will kind of go together like that. You can start to see that shape for the deflector dish there in the middle. Oh, and my finger sticking down through. And here is the back of the neck. Now, I should mention that there's parts like this where, for the sake of accuracy, some other model makers have made replacement parts to make it more accurate to what's on screen on the actual models that they used for the show. So I have actually ordered those replacement parts. Yeah, I'll be kind of cutting this off, I think, and gluing a new part on there, and we'll see how that goes. There's a few other places, I think actually here on the warp nacelles too, there's a replacement for this whole front section once you put it together so that you don't have a seam there. Here's the main shuttle bay door, which again also believe is going to get replaced. The top of the captain's yacht. Or actually, no, that's the bottom of the captain's yacht. The next bag is the giant saucer section. I have not decided yet what we're going to do about windows. There are several options that I'm been made aware of for doing windows, and we will decide that at a later date. We have all the clear plastic parts that are meant for sort of the places that light up on the ship. So the warp engines, the deflector dish. Here we have the original decals, um, which I remember trying to put these on the model years and years ago when I first did it, and hopefully it'll go a little better this time. And we have the instructions, which you can see just kind of give you basic instructions on how to put everything together. Some of this will follow, some of this we probably won't. And then on the back here is some paint guidance for all of, they call it the Aztecing pattern, which goes on the ship. And I've decided I'm going to paint it on, but I've also decided that I don't want to do all that by hand. So I've ordered some masks, which other model makers out there have developed and are selling, and I'm very grateful for that because I don't want to spend the next 5 years trying to paint all that on there, because I think enough time is going to be spent on all these windows instead. Uh, there's the option of trying to cut them out or drill them out or just paint them on, which I don't want to do that because I want us to be lit. So I think we're either going to wind up cutting them out or maybe trying to sand down the inside so that it's thinner so that light can go through the plastic a bit, and then we just have to block out the windows that are off. I don't know. We're going to do some tests with that. We're going to use this part since this is getting replaced. Maybe we can do some window tests here with some of this. But again, TBD. Let's see, anything else in here? Oh, yeah, there's a card in here to subscribe to the Blueprinter, which I'm going to assume is no longer a thing, but who knows? Maybe we'll subscribe to the Blueprinter. We'll see. But yeah, so those are all the parts. And like I said, this is going to be a work in progress for quite a while. I don't want to rush. I'm not gonna, there's no deadline. I just want to make it as good looking and accurate and cool as I possibly can. And I'm very grateful for all of the YouTube videos that are already out there with that have a lot of great tips that I've already watched. I think that's all going to be really helpful, and I will um, try and link those and mention those as I go along too. So, oh, and the I will put a links down for the replacement parts and the masks and things that I mentioned too. So, if you are like me, if you are not a skilled or avid model maker, uh, please, I hope this is helpful. I hope this is entertaining. if you are a skilled and avid model maker, please feel free to give tips and suggestions in the comments. Really, really appreciate any constructive criticism and guidance. Again, don't come for me because I am not claiming to be any sort of expert, but I'm hoping to uh, make this something cool in the end. So I will stop rambling about this for now, and we will see what happens next time. So hope to see you then. Thanks. Bye.